so you guys can... Alright, what is up you guys? It's me, Jennifer, and I am freezing cold right now, and I think I'm out of focus too. I don't want to show you my ugly face because I am pretty ugly in camera right now. But I recorded this video for the third time, and I want to show you guys my room, and hopefully you guys get inspired by my room because I love my room so far and totally grateful for all the things that I have in here. And I'm a person who likes keeping a lot of stuff. Yeah, so this is my room tour 2019, and hopefully you guys enjoy. And yeah, let's get this video started. Yes. Get into my room. I'm gonna give really quick an overview of how my room looks like. So this is the door, obviously. And then I have two windows. If you hear rain or like wind, it is pouring rain outside right now, so I'm trying to film this room tour really quick. Alright, so as you see, this is my first wall of my room. It's my favorite one of all because I just display my artwork and stuff. And then I have a photograph of me and my boyfriend. Just one of my favorite frames that I had since I was like probably in kindergarten. And let me quickly talk about these really quick. So me and my boyfriend painted that one. It's inspiration by another artist. I got inspired by Pinterest. My boyfriend also painted this one and collabed, I guess, with this friend. Kind of like, what's it called? We pasted on this image, and then he just painted all the Keith Haring artwork on there. And then, let's see. And then this frame, which I totally love. It's screen printed, and I got it from Designer Con, and I think it's a couple who do screen printing. I think they're the Little Friends. I'm not really sure. I'll probably post it up there. One of my other best friends, she gave me this cool frame, like super vintage frame of Frida, and my certificate when I did my student art show thingy-majiggers. And this frame of Brooks, which I love, and it's probably one of my most expensive like photography purchase I've ever made. So it's literally displayed on there, and I purchased it on the Beach Goth pop-up in LA when they had it up there, so I love it, you know. And then over here I just have like some of my tickets that I've concerts I've been to, Polaroids, and if you go up here I just have like jewelry, pins, and so forth. And then one of my favorite paintings that my boyfriend ever did, I think the first or second week we started talking to each other or dating. But I love this painting so much. If you know where it's from, you know where, leave a comment down below. Alright, so also really quickly talking about this door. So I just really have all like just cute stuff, like pictures, Polaroids, and art on here. And then on here I have all my Yu-Gi-Oh and Pokemon cards on there. So they're kind of little in a Powerpuff Girls case that I've had forever. And let's walk over here so you guys can see the top shelf. So on the top shelf we have a lot of things. I recently had this like shelf over the summer because I really wanted to display stuff on the top, and my plan was to get rid of the shelves that I have over here in the corner, but that didn't happen. So instead I have this cool shelf of display, which I really love. So I just have the Polaroid cameras, black cactus bottles, which I did for my graphic design class, some Polaroids, some CDs in the back, movies, Harry Styles CD, and then just a frame and a couple little things. And then if you go over here, I have just books, all my books that I have, and a cereal from Funkos, I think. I got it at Designer Con as well. Through the window, I have a couple Polaroids on here. I used to have them over here because I used to have my desk right here, so they just kind of like display here. And then I have a frame that my boyfriend gave me. I'm not sure when he gave it to me. I want to say like anniversary, birthday, I don't know which hand he gave it, but what's it called? He made it into a frame, which I really love, and it just displays here in the corner. About this bed, I bought it off from IKEA, and it's one of my really biggest purchase I've ever made towards like a bed. It's a, what is it, a king, no, just kidding. It's a full bed. What I love about this bed, it has departments in the bottom, which you can store your clothes. So I have 2 here and 2 on the other side. If you guys want to see what's in my freaking thing, it's just all my pair of pants and jeans right here. And then if you go on this other side, which it's hardly, like I try hardly opening these because this stool is right here. But I have all, you can even barely even see, I just have like miscellaneous stuff that I used to have my desk in. So it's pretty much miscellaneous stuff in there. And then on this side, I tried organizing it really quick for you guys. I have all my shirts inside here. It's really cool and convenient to put all your, shirts here. But since I do have a very small room, it is very hard to like grab your stuff because I can't really like stand there. So it's, I think for a small room, I think it's really cool. And it's kind of hidden. No one really knows that you have your freaking shirts in there either. And then if you go on this side, oh gosh, how am I gonna show you? On this side, I just have all my sweaters and like pretty much all my sweaters. And that's pretty much it with the bed. It's super affordable, and I think you guys should pretty much buy this because it keeps you really warm. And I just have like a couple blankets and stuff too, to get warm. I think I'm like losing my breath here. Okay, so this is this area. It's very messy. It's not very organized, and trust me, I try so hard keeping it clean, but it is very hard. So in the bottom, I have, this isn't supposed to be there. I was cleaning my closet and I was cleaning my my drawers. So this is stuff that I'm gonna donate or sell. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So it's just gonna be there for now. And here we have 2 shelves. These are both from IKEA as well, and I've had them for like I don't know, 6-7 years probably. And yeah, so fancier purses up there. And then just shoes. These pops, these are my first pops ever, which were given to me from my boyfriend on Christmas Day. Just more shoes, and then shoes literally down and have boots and stuff, so you can't really see that because all my stuff are down there. And then if we go a little bit like this, I've mostly on this one just kind of like display stuff, like frames and random stuff that I have in here. I have my printer and some couple vinyls that I have there. These are all tote bags. If you guys can't really see, they're all tote bags that I'm trying to like sell or trying just to make, because I've been struggling so much making screen printing stuff there. And then the bottom, like, it's super messy. I don't even want to show you, but it's just like I have a whole mess of stickers, art supply, and all my tote bags in there as well. And if you go up here, I have pretty much notebooks, inspiration notebooks, and like magazines. And I have also like miscellaneous stuff in there, like beanies, hats, wallets, and right here I think it's some art supplies. And in this one I have mostly all my like quick art supplies I can get, like watercolors, markers and stuff like that in there. And I have my vinyl record right there, and some fabric. I'm losing my breath already. Oh my gosh. I have some couple of my brats up there because, you know, they are my inspo every single day. Yeah, I just have some like quick little displayment stuff up here. It's so hard to keep it clean. Me and my brother traded desks, so I have his smaller desk because I really needed more space. And as you can see, I still don't have space. So this desk is also from IKEA, and as you can see, I stack all my stuff in there. I have some depop stuff that I've purchased a while ago. I have a cool like stereo that plays cassettes in there, and this is like the most uninteresting thing ever in my desk, but if you guys want to see my boring stuff, I don't know. So I literally have like just random stuff like a watch and pins and earrings and stuff like that. And I have like pins as well in here and a stamp, pens, oh my gosh, I have like stickers and some other cool stickers on here that I have, literally random sticky notes and all that stuff too. Charger. This is how normally my desk is, but when it's kind of clean, it's a little bit nicer. Not too much is going on. Just have some frames up here, and I tried displaying my hats. These are like my most worn hats ever. So this one was done by one of my best friends. She is freaking amazing, and she drew me and Fabian, which is one of my favorite like drawings or paintings. I thought it was super cute. And then I have a picture from when I was in 4th grade, I believe. And this board, oh my gosh, I have a whole mess of stickers from Lisa Frank. And I remember buying this clipboard from the thrift store when I was probably like 11 or 12, and I still have it there. And I think this is such a cool way of like, if you have a lot of stickers, display them in a clipboard, which I think is super cool. And hopefully you guys get inspired by this and be like, ooh. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, like if you guys want more like ooh, like can we see all your art supply, or I have a lot of stickers, I can do like a sticker collection, maybe like show you guys all the stickers I have, or stamps, because I used to collect stamps and stickers and I still collect stickers. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in that, I can totally do another video for that. But so far this is my room. And then this teddy bear, I totally did not talk about this teddy bear. My boyfriend gave it to me. He gave it to me on Valentine's Day, I believe, on our, I don't know if this was our first Valentine's Day or second Valentine's Day, and he bought me this huge ass teddy bear, and now it's like so hard to fit in my room, so he just lays there with Winnie the Pooh. So yes, we talk about these little items here on my TV. This one I had from, I think it was kindergarten, I'm not really sure, but it's a stamp, and as you can see, it's like super old. I got this one in Mexico this year, last year I mean. I got this one free from Designer Con. This one's from McDonald's. Literally me right now wearing that hair color. But yeah, this is pretty much my whole room. If you guys like this room tour, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, or hopefully you guys get inspired by